Your 20s can be a time of great personal and professional growth. And there are a few key skills and habits that can set you up for success. Whether you're just starting out in your 20s or are well into this decade, I'm sharing some important things to consider as you navigate this exciting time in your life. Before going further, please subscribe to my YouTube channel. And let's get started. First, do not date while you're broke, in terrible shape, miserable, or your life is chaotic. Get your life in order first. Second, develop a routine. Sleep at 11 p.m. Be awake at 7 p.m. every day. Third, spend 60 minutes of your day reading, writing, and internalizing what you understand. Fourth, learn a high-income skill that will earn you $10,000 per month. Fifth, stop chasing cheap dopamine. Prioritize what's important over pleasure. Sixth, build self-discipline by taking one cold shower in the morning. Seventh, make the internet a source of your income. There are endless possibilities for making money. Eighth, take 100% responsibility for your life. And never blame circumstances or anyone. Ninth, include proteins, fresh fruits, and 2 liters of water in your daily diet to optimize your health. 10th, hang out with people who obsess over making moves and living a good life. Your circle should not gossip or jealous of each other. In summary, your 20s are a time to focus on building the skills and habits that will set you up for success. We hope you found this video helpful. And if you have any tips or tricks for things to learn in your 20s, be sure to leave a comment below. Thanks for watching.